So this is the automatic transfer switch. It's a very simple machine actually. It's got a servo, some Chinese there, and a breaker. Let's get some focus. 63 amp breaker, two of them on this side, and a logic board, very simple logic board, which I'll take apart just now. I just open it basically, but this is a very simple machine here. So this is the board. It's really simple. A few resistors for the LEDs. Okay, this looks like a capacitor. How big? Let's see if we can identify any labels. There you go. Oh, okay, 450 volts. Size, and it's got this relay here. I don't know if you can read. It's also a 240 volt, 28 volt, 3 amp relay. You can see inside it's got a coil, and that looks like some contacts. So it's an actuator. Alright, now, so this is very simple. We want to introduce this guy here to manage the logic. This is a pi 0. Raspberry Pi 0 version 1.1. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Oh, okay, I've got another one that has no automation, and we'll try and mirror this guy to that. So this one, I'm going to put it together and put it into production. Very simple, and it works flawlessly. Okay, check out the next video where we get this to marry with. So we'll try and get this pi, that pi, to talk to this transfer switch. So this is a manual transfer switch. Incoming power. This is municipality, and this here, these small ones here, is generator. So 2-4 is municipality, and 6-8 is generator. And the output, you can see from the generator side, it's there's a crossover patch over there, 7 to 3 and 5 to 1. So this is the supply into the house. And we're going to try and make this work with this guy here. Right, that should be interesting.